हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आंबेली. ह्या दिसांनी जायती खबर चलता वयर थिंगात अबाउट सोनाली फोगट. हांव कितें म्हणटा, प्रमोद बाब, हांव तुका एक रिक्वेस्ट करता. दुसरे फावटी कसले डेथ जाले जावं सस्पिशियस ऑर अबाउट यंग चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज यू डोंट मेक अ स्टेटमेंट बिफोर एनी प्रॉपर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन्स आर डन. See, when it came to that old Goa issue, illegal structure issue, to Sada Muta, it is a sub judice matter and that you cannot speak on that. Because I understand sub judice matter when some very prominent citizens speak, it may tend to influence the judgment, Mudaide. Accept it. But to speak the truth, I don't find that there is any problem. Unless it is something which is going to influence the judgment, maybe at Supreme Court or at a High Court. So there you are very cautious about making statements. In spite of bringing everything to you about how the illegalities has taken place, very cautiously you said, it is not for you to make a decision or to make a judgment on that. You never even made one statement saying that that bungalow is illegal. अजून केलं ना ते. तू सगळे तुगे ऑथॉरिटीज घाता, जावं ते पोलीस जावं ब्युरोक्रेट जावं द पंचायत आनी TCP सगळ्यांचे तू घाता बिफोर यू मेक इवन अ स्टेटमेंट विच यू हॅव नॉट मेड टिल टुडे. But now I don't understand, in cases of death, why do you or your other wings of the government, जावं the police, जावं postmortem report, ते येशनु फुडे, why people like you or the highest authority in the police make statements directly without investigation? I'm talking about at least suspicious cases. Some death has taken place in their homes, I can understand. But here are the deaths which had taken place, one on the beach side and another at the hotel, where it is people like you and your other wings, a type of institutions of police or even the postmortem report, to me directly statement kotay mare. That in case of Siddhi Naik, statements were just thrown in the air before even any investigation took place. You all made statements saying that it is a suicide by drowning. Drowning does not give a clean sheet that it is a suicide. It could have been somebody has drowned her maybe. That let us keep it there now. Next, now this Sonali Fogar. Again, somebody, a very healthy person, suddenly dies in Goa and statements are just flying out, left, right, center, very liberally, that it's a heart attack. Why do you put the cart before the horse? Don't you think, you being the first citizen of Goa, your words carry weight? When you make statements, or your other institutions like the highest authorities in the police, they make statements before investigations. Don't you think that these things can influence the outcomes? You people are just making statements as if you all are sitting in the seat of judgment for every case like this. And then when pressure builds up, then you'll register it as murder. And then investigations come out, little by little. But by your statement, Pramod Bab, what happens? You know it very well. When you say, if a case is drowning or suicide, or you say it is heart attack, when it comes from your mouth, it carries weight. So what happened to the police and the bureaucrats? They will be forced to toe your line because they get a message from you that don't do anything further. Just push it as a suicide or push it as a heart attack. This is what is happening. So please, Pramod Bab, henceforth at least, It is in suspicious cases. Please, हात जोडून मागता, especially cases like Siddhi Naik's case. Now at least it is high time you will understand that there was something wrong. Because it was not interrogated properly before the statements came out. And that body was already burned or cremated. So please, at least now, think for our children. Think for our Goan child. Siddhi Naik is my Goan child, my daughter, my girl from Goa. Please think over it and please do the needful. आता हे भाशी म्हणून म्हाका अरेस्ट करून धाडशी. आता अरेस्ट केलं जाल्यार हांव कांय बेल काडपाना. सो प्लीज, but take it for the good in the well-being of Goa. You are the head of the state. Keep some legacy, maybe long after you're gone, so people will remember you for the good things. And henceforth, every suspicious case, you don't make the statements first. Let the investigation takes place. Postmortem pasun जायसनु फुडें तुम statement कोताय. It is like you are the body of postmortem, you are the body of the police, you are the body of everything, and you sit in the judgmental seat and you give your judgments. Don't you think this type of things, they jeopardize the matter there? And if it is so, please, I beg of you, stop this. Otherwise this Goa is going to be known for all bad things. First it was S for Scarlet, then S for Siddhi Naik, and now S for Sonali. I don't know. Dev Bara Guru, thank you very much. May God bless you, Pramod Bab. Once again, thank you.